Alpha, how you talk? What's the thing this time?
I just did. This life no just balance. Things no just balance. Okay, ma ask you question. As this word, like this word day, God can't give you another second chance. Say may you choose what you want to become in the next life. What you gonna choose?
As man now.
A man. Now me. Me as I dey like this, if I go get second chance, say make God ask me say wetin I want become, wetin I want come this world as. Na Tetambala.
Mon Dieu.
Tetambala.
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 Or dog, or cow, or chicken. Now as you be man like this, wetin you don't get?
I don't get many things now. I don't get many things.
See now, what see, man, I tell you. I just dey look at the way all these animals they get freedom. Look at this Tetambala now. See the way they do kiss for public. Now if I they kiss like that, they go green. You will see people they John don't spoil, John don't spoil, John don't spoil.
Wait, to kiss might be a problem. I
See,
will get another reason.
Man, I tell you, look at, check am.
I didn't tell you.
Look dog. Look at dog. If dog see one babe when he like, he go just pursue am. Cha. The dog go give am, open am for am, give am. Mission accomplished. The dog go go another one. They go like that as if the dog dey mission. You feel like that?
Wait, ma ask you, no verse. Your own reasoning. Now how?
See, you don't even understand.
Wait.
Okay, now. Just as I dey talk about that dog now, that dog don finish. Nothing concern am whether the girl get belle or not.
You no get belle.
But you as human being, if the girl can't get belle, you go see one man go come dey oppress you say you must marry the daughter. You never see where dog dey carry they go another person and say you wan go na by force you go marry me na you impregnate me.
Wait, you reason am. Dog and human being are the same thing.
Abeg watch that thing, burn that thing. Are they not breathing? Are we not breathing? They know they breathe. See ma tell you sef, they know they buy pampers. Look at them. One, they know they even use sanitary pads. In fact, all these nobody can even ask you for money. All these girls now ask you for money. Check am. This life no balance. You no go even pay rent. You no pay bride price. Me na dog I wan come back, but I don't buy. Look am, nothing like wedding. They know they do wedding. If you no do wedding, they go think say bala. You no go even do wedding.
Wait.
Husband, children never chop. Food no dey house.
You know see am. Children never chop. Food no dey house. If na dog, where the dog go see the person wey pregnant and ask am. Say children never chop. You see what I dey talk now? So children never chop. You want me to kill myself?
Before,
You want me to kill myself?
children never chop. That food no dey house.
They know they fast, make them fast. Make them fast. No food there. Even me, I have no eating. What they go? I no get time how they make for you.